So we were at page number 31, where Prospero was giving the example of the trunk and the greenery. The trunk and the greenery, the creeper, that sucked the essence from the trunk. Similarly, from Prospero, essence has been sucked by Antonio, and Antonio became very powerful, and Prospero became less important. That's where we stopped. Any doubts to ask? Just raise your hand. Are you able to hear me? Just raise your hand. Are you able to hear me? Okay, thank you, thank you. You can put down your hands. So shall we go ahead? If you have no doubts, we will go ahead. Sugandha? Okay, right. All have put it down. Nice. Right. We finished 103. To what tune pleased his ear, that now he was the ivy which had hid my princely trunk and sucked my verdure out on it. Thou attendest not. Then Miranda said, "Oh, good sir, I do. I am listening to your story very attentively." We'll start from Prospero's conversation again. Prospero, I pray thee, mark me. I pray thee, mark me. Mark me means take note of. Mark me means take note of. I pray thee, mark me. I'm requesting you, or I'm telling you to make note of this. That means Prospero is going to say something very important. So the paragraph, the stanza which comes is a little difficult because there are so many words which are not familiar to you. You may find it difficult, doesn't matter. But in gist, what is trying to say is very simple thing only. Prospero trusted his brother Antonio so much. How much did he trust him? He had extreme trust in him, too much of trust in him. To that extent, he was treacherous. To what extent Prospero had trust in his brother Antonio, to that extent, Antonio did harm to Prospero. That is a, in gist, there is a meaning. Prospero loved his brother so much, and Antonio cheated him to that extent. But the words used will be a little difficult. Let's see. I thus neglecting worldly ends, all dedicated to closeness and the bettering of my mind with that which, but by being so retired, overpriced, all popular route in my false brother, awaked an evil nature, and my trust, like a good parent, did beget of him a falsehood. In its contrary, as great as my trust was, which had indeed no limit, a confidence sans bound. He being thus lauded, not only with what my revenue yielded, but what my power might else exact, like one who having into truth, by telling of it, made such a sinner of his memory to credit his own lie. He did believe he was indeed the Duke, out of the substitution and executing the outward face of royalty with all prerogative, hence his ambition growing. That's the here. Okay. So we'll take part by part and try to understand it. I thus neglecting worldly ends. I means Prospero. I thus neglecting worldly ends. Worldly ends means practical matters. Worldly ends means practical matters. I thus neglecting worldly ends. Practical matters have been left to the care of Antonio. Prospero was spending time in library, being busy with himself and the books, practicing liberal arts. That's a background. So, as a result, what happened? Practical affairs of the dukedom was not looked into by Prospero. That's the meaning of I thus neglecting worldly ends. I hope you understood. All dedicated to closeness and the bettering of my mind with that which. With that which means study. What was I busy with? I was busy keeping myself closed in the library. All dedicated to closeness, that is privacy, closeness and the bettering of my mind with that which, that is with the study. I was trying to improve upon this matters by studying. So I was busy, I secluded myself or separated myself from the affairs of the state. I was busy with my books in order to better my knowledge, to increase my knowledge. But by being so retired, our prized all popular right in my false brother awaked an evil nature. Why did I do that? Because I had asked my brother to look after. And how much I trusted him. Being so retired means being thus away from public life. Retired here meaning is away from public life. Overpriced all popular rate. Here rating means opinion. Rate is opinion. Popular rate means popular opinion. Overpriced means overcalculated and miscalculated my opinion about my brother. In my false brother awaked an evil nature. Here false is treacherous brother. Simply to say, Prospero had a very good opinion about his brother. What was his opinion? That his brother will be very faithful to him. His brother will never cheat him. He will take care of the state and his affairs, so that he can continue with his work. That's what he believed. That's what he believed. But his opinion about his brother was proved wrong. That's why he calls him a false brother. A false brother is a treacherous brother. In my false brother awaked. Awaked means rise or rose. Rise, rose, risen. In my brother awoke, rose an evil nature. My brother was good, actually. But once he started to enjoy power, he became bad. Awaked an evil nature, and my trust like a good parent did beget of him a falsehood. I trusted him so much. How much? My trust like a good parent, like a parent who trusts his children, I trusted him. Did beget. Beget means produce in him a falsehood. Falsehood is disloyalty. That's why I said there are so many difficult words here. After this stanza, it will be little easier. This stanza is difficult. Like a good parent did beget of him a falsehood. In its contrary, as great as my trust was, which had indeed no limit. What kind of trust was mine? A trust without limits. A trust which had indeed no limit. No limit means limitless, unbound. Limitless trust I had in my brother. But to that extent, he became untrusty. He was not at all trustworthy. He cheated me. That's the meaning. A confidence sans bound. Sans means without. Bound is limit. Confidence sans bound. I had such a confidence in my brother. What sort of confidence? Sans bound, without boundary, without limit. So limitless confidence I had in my brother, and limitless trust I had in my brother. But my false brother, treacherous brother, worked against me. His being thus lauded, that means Antonio, his brother, made himself a lord. L-O-R-D, lord means somebody who is ruling over somebody else. Somebody who has power over others. He being thus lauded, not only with what my revenue yielded. Revenue here meaning is income. Income. Not only with what my revenue yielded, but what my power might else exact. What my power might else exact means whatever else my power could exact. Exact means command. By telling of it, like one who having into truth by telling of it, made such a sinner of his memory, to credit his own lie, he did believe he was indeed the duke, out on the substitution and executing the outward face of royalty with all prerogative. So Prospero trusted Antonio. Prospero had a confidence in Antonio. Both these, both trust and confidence were limitless. They were limitless. Limitless means there's no limit, unbound. To such great extent, he trusted him and he had confidence in him. But what did his brother do? He did not live up to the opinion, or he did not live up to the expectation of Prospero. Prospero expected him to be trustworthy. He expected that Antonio will always be good to him. He will be doing his duty so that Prospero can carry on with his work. But it did not happen. He was a false brother. He calls him a false brother. A false brother means a brother who cheats, a brother who is not trustworthy, a brother whom he cannot have confidence. That is false brother. So all the expectations of Prospero were not met with. Antonio disproved them all. How did he do it? In what manner did Antonio cheat Prospero? He made use of Antonio used what? His income. That is revenue. He used also all the power. Power and authority. Okay, so how did Antonio go against Prospero, or how did Antonio cheat Prospero? By two means. One is he used the income or the revenue, the income that was coming from the dukedom from various counts, that he misused it. Secondly, the power and authority he could command as in charge or as administrator of the dukedom, whatever the power and authority he could make use of, that he used it for his own gain. This is the manner in which Antonio became a threat to Prospero. Understood? No? I suppose. Then it says that to credit his own lie, to credit his own lie, Antonio to credit his own lie. It was a lie. It was a false thing that he was the duke. He was not duke. Prospero is a duke. Antonio was asked to help him out. But to credit his own lie, Antonio believed that he is the duke himself. Antonio believed that he is duke himself. In order to credit his own lie, what did he do? He started to popularize that he was the duke. He started to behave and act such a way to tell people that he himself is the duke. So that is the meaning of that. You just go through it. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. So difficult passage. Actually, what they're conveying is very simple thing, but the words used are tough. There are some terms used, some words used, which are little difficult. But what the idea they want to convey is that Prospero trusted his brother Antonio so much, and he never thought that he will betray him. But his opinion about his brother was proved wrong when Antonio cheated him. That is, he posed himself as the duke by using his income and all the other powers available. And he also started to credit his own lie. That he is the duke is a lie. He started to spread it. Only that much. Anybody has any doubt, please raise your hand. Otherwise, you'll proceed. If you get an annotation extract from this passage, you'll be able to write it. Maybe difficult. Doesn't matter. So how many, those who understood, just raise your hand, because I don't get any response. Those who understood, raise your hand, then I can proceed. Okay. Fine. Okay. Thank you. He did believe, the end of that paragraph, he did believe he was indeed the Duke, out on the substitution and executing the outward face of royalty with all prerogative. Prerogative is privilege. Prerogative is privilege. Actually, he was only asked to help out, but he thought he is a substitute. Substitute means in the place of somebody. So Antonio thought that he was in the place of Prospero himself. And he started to make use of the prerogatives, privileges. He made use of every privilege that was available. It could be the income that he received from the people, or it could be the power and authority of the Duke. He made use of every privilege, posing himself as a substitute, not a helper. Hence his ambition growing. That's an important word. Hence his ambition growing. Prospero does not complete. In between he breaks. Hence his ambition growing. What is ambition? Ambition is a great desire, extraordinary desire. Here in this context, a desire for power. A great desire for power. Hence his ambition growing. Dost thou? Here, Prospero is asking, Miranda, dost thou hear? Miranda, your tale, sir, would cure deafness. What an answer. Miranda answers, your tale, sir, your story is so touching and it would cure deafness. Even if we are deaf, we will be cured. Prospero. This is also an important passage. To have no screen between this part he played and him he played it for, he needs will be absolute Milan. Me, poor man, my library was dukedom large enough. Of temporal royalties, he thinks me now incapable. Confederate so dry he was for stay, with the king of Naples, to give him annual tribute, do him homage, subject his coronet to his crown, and bend the dukedom yet unbowed. Alas, poor Milan, to most ignoble stooping. This is the main plot. The main plot of the drama is this. The whole story is revolved around this one, this passage. What Antonio did, that is the base for the entire drama. The whole storyline is revolved around this. The main plot is this. have no screen between his part he played, this part he played, and him he played it for, he needs will be absolute Milan. Now I'll ask some doubts. Let's see. You said you understood. If you are able to answer me, then you understood. No screen means no division, no separation. Between this part he played. What was the part played by Antonio? Can anybody answer me? What was the part played by Antonio? Okay, Sania.
Yes, sir. Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Sir, this line says that there were no division between these means two brothers, but Antonio played this. Means the Antonio did this division between us.
No. That will come. I am asking what is the part played by Antonio now?
Sir, division.
No.
Division between two brothers.
Okay. You are a little away. Can you make it a little more specific? Focus. Okay, I will give chance to somebody else. Harshit. Harshit Kumar. Yeah.
Sir, Prospero gave the chance. Prospero gave him, sir, substitution for him,
Okay.
him as a duke. But he thought that he used the power of the duke and taken his all the privilege of.
Okay, you are right. But only thing you should not use the word substitution. Substitution means in the place of. He did not give substitution. He asked him only help out.
To help out, yes.
But he made it a substitution. He made it a substitution, and he thought that he is a duke himself.
Yes, sir.
So the part which he was playing means he was helping out. He was helping him out. Okay, right. So now the next question is, the part he played is clear. And him he played it for. To whom did he play it for? Somebody? For whom did Antonio play it for? Sania, I can put it down. Somebody else who has never raised a hand. This is easy. This is an easy question. Okay. Harshit Kumar.
I think duke only.
He played it for a?
For duke place.
That is Prospero.
Yes, sir.
For Prospero. He played it for a Prospero. Okay, right. Thank you. So to have no screen between this part he played and him he played it for. That means the part he played was that of helping Prospero. Whom did he help? Prospero. So to have no division, no separation between these two, he needs will be absolute Milan. Absolute Milan means unrestricted Milan. That is complete control of Milan. That is, he should become the Duke of Milan. So he felt there should be no difference between the helper and whom he is helped. In order to make no difference what he should become the Duke. That's all. Me, poor man, my library was dukedom large enough. So for Prospero, what was the dukedom? The dukedom was the library itself. My library was dukedom large enough. That was sufficient for me to look after. I did not bother about the dukedom. For me, the dukedom was library. My whole concentration was in the studies. Of temporal royalties, he thinks me now incapable. Of temporal royalties means, temporal means worldly, worldly, worldly loyalties. That is a rights granted by monarchs. That means he thought that Prospero is not capable of granting favors or doing anything. He thinks me now incapable, confederates, allies, A-L-L-I-E-S. That's important. The meaning is given there. Confederates means allies. Allies means join hands with somebody. Join hands with somebody. Antonio, having understood that Prospero is not capable of carrying on things, carrying on the affairs of the dukedom, he joined hands with somebody. Allied, confederates, allies. Now he gives two hyphens and gives, this is very important word, so dry he was for sway. So dry he was for sway. This is a very, very important word, important phrase. So dry he was for sway. Who? Antonio. Antonio was so dry for sway. Here dry means thirsty, thirsty. You know, when you are in a dry place, you feel like drinking water, you are thirsty. Here it is used as a dry for power. You are thirsty for power. That is ambition, political ambition. So dry he was, so dry he was for sway means very badly he wanted to acquire power. With the king of Naples, so you must leave that what is in between the phrases, you must leave it aside and read from the beginning. Then you'll understand it properly. So you must read it like this now. He thinks me now incapable, confederates with the king of Naples to give him annual tribute, do him homage, subject his coronet to his crown, and bend the dukedom at unbound. So he thinks he is now incapable. So confederates, allies, joins hands with whom? With the king of Naples to give him annual tribute. Annual tribute is an amount paid yearly to somebody for the protection they are giving you. Pay annual tribute. Do him homage. Do somebody homage means to consider as somebody superior to you. To do homage means to pay respect to somebody or consider somebody as higher than you. You surrender yourself to somebody. That is paying homage. Subject his coronet to his crown. Coronet is a small crown. Here the crown of the duke is smaller in compared to that of a king. So Antonio decides to subject his coronet, his crown, surrender, subdue his crown to that of the crown of Alonso. Subject his coronet to his crown and bend the dukedom yet unbowed. Bend means to lower, to bend down. That means to surrender. To bend the dukedom yet unbowed. The dukedom of Milan has never been bound before. Never lowered its head before any authority. But for the first time, Antonio decides to do it. Alas, poor Milan. Alas means, what a pity. What a pity. What a disgrace to Milan. It had never surrendered itself to anybody, but Antonio decides to surrender to Naples in order to become the Duke of Milan. What was the reason for it? So dry he was for sway, so thirsty he was for power. As a result, he decides to humiliate himself and the dukedom. The most ignoble stooping, this surrendering of Milan to Naples, or his deciding, Antonio's decision to pay tribute to Alonso and to surrender his crown to the crown of Naples, Prospero calls it the most ignoble stooping. Ignoble is dishonorable. Stooping is surrendering or being subjected to somebody else's authority. That's the meaning of stooping. I am surrendering myself, allowing somebody else to take control of me. So this was a most dishonorable stooping. That's what Prospero calls it. Any doubts? Aditya Jaiswal wants to ask something.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Sir, I want to ask that in this passage, Prospero says that Antonio wants more power and want to become the king of Naples.
Okay. No. Want to become the Duke of Milan. Now, who is the Duke of Milan actually?
Antonio is the Duke of Milan.
No. Actually,
Prospero.
Prospero. So now, Antonio wants to take the place of Prospero by becoming the Duke of Milan. For that, he needs yes.
Help from King of Naples.
So he got the help from Alonso, the King of Naples. King of Naples is Alonso, is a powerful king. So he joins hand with him. So he will, Alonso will help him to acquire the dukedom for Antonio, but he has to give him something. What is that? He will have to surrender his crown to him and give every year. He will pay some money for his saving act. Understood? Okay?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Anushka wants to ask something. Anushka?
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. What happened? Anushka, you got again muted? No. Where are you? Anushka, lost. Hello? Are you there?
Voice is clear.
Yes? Not coming out. Okay. You'll try afterwards. Sugandha?
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
So when Antonio was behaving like this with Prospero, and
Yes.
then Prospero did not acted on that.
Most probably he did not realize in the beginning. By the time he realized, it was too late.
Sir, it means that he was not aware with Antonio's this behavior.
Yeah, because he trusted him so much. Now he is able to explain it because after happening, he is able to evaluate it and tell him this is what happened. But when it took place, he may not have been aware of it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Was-
Anushka got back?
Sir,
Yeah.
as you taught in the last class that he was in too much in reading books.
Yes. Prospero.
Yes. Thank you,
Yes.
sir.
Yeah. Welcome. Anushka is back?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay, there is something problem with your audio. I think we are not able to hear. Okay, you can send in the you can send the question to me afterwards. I'll answer. No problem. Okay.
Hello, sir.
Okay. Tell me.
So explain the first line once again.
First line. To have no screen between this part he played and him he played it for.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What is the part he is playing? That was helping Prospero.
Yeah.
Yeah. For whom he is playing?
Prospero.
Prospero. To have no difference between, no division, no screen between these two. That is between helping and somebody being helped. He wants to become the Duke of Milan. That's the meaning.
Okay.
To remove the screen means the division between these two. Now he is helping somebody. Instead of helping somebody, he will help himself by becoming the Duke. That's the thing.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Anybody else? Anushka, Harshit wants to ask something. No, sorry. Harshit Kumar, you asked already or you want to ask something?
So in
Yeah.
order to become the Duke of Milan, sir, he surrendered his crown and also paid yearly both.
Yeah. Yes. Surrendered means it's not, he will not give his crown. He will be accepting the authority of Naples. He'll accept the king of Naples as his boss. That's all.